Panahon na naman ng mga moga-moga. Oho, dami oh. Martial arts training. Accuracy training. Special balance. Huliin natin ito gamit ang ating sensational speed and accuracy and skills. Come on. Ay. Muntik na tayo matumba. Moga-moga is dead. Ito yung marami-rami na tayong nahuli gamit ang ating kamay. Special martial arts training. Accuracy. One finger style. Ay, one finger style. Likod nyo. Gamitan natin ang one finger style. Uy! Hacha! Huli ka na naman using one finger style. Poink! Tama na yan. Ganyan po ang martial arts training. Kinukuha natin. Yung mga moga-moga. Dinadakma natin using our accuracy.